You've seen the headlines, Robot GF replaces real women or AI wife now available online. But how much of this is real, and how much is just internet fantasy? Welcome to Tech Insight Daily, where we separate hype from hardware. In this video, we're diving into the truth behind adult humanoid robots, which companies are actually building adult-sized robots, whether robot girlfriends are real or just clickbait, and where AI and robotics are really headed in the near future. Let's start with the facts. Tech Insight Daily is now available in your language. Thanks to YouTube's new auto-dub feature, you can now watch our videos in your own language. No subtitles needed. Just tap the settings icon, go to audio track, and choose your language. More access. Same real facts. Let's explore the future together, worldwide. First, yes, adult humanoid robots do exist. Here are some real ones. Ameca by Engineered Arts, an ultra-lifelike humanoid with stunning facial expressions. But it's a research and demo bot, not a girlfriend. Sophia by Hanson Robotics, the world's first robot citizen designed with a feminine face but built for media and research. Nadine from NTU Singapore, a receptionist and elder care robot that remembers people and mimics emotions. Tesla Optimus Figure 01, digit full-sized humanoids made for factory and warehouse work. No romance involved. Most are gender-neutral or just human-shaped for practical design reasons. So, where did all this robot girlfriend hype come from? AI chatbots like Replika and Cupid.ai give users the illusion of companionship. Some even market themselves as AI lovers. Sex robots or adult dolls with basic AI exist, but they're mostly glorified talking mannequins, not full humanoids. Social media clickbait plays into loneliness and curiosity. Most robot GF videos use CGI, actors, or misleading thumbnails. Truth is, we're nowhere close to building robots that can form emotional romantic bonds like real humans. And science isn't even aiming there, at least not responsibly. Sometimes robots are given female appearances or voices, like Samsung's Bally, or Home Assistants, because humans respond better to certain tones or faces. But it's about usability and psychology, not replacing relationships. Samsung, Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Sanctuary AI are focused on practical applications, lifting loads, running errands, assisting the elderly, guiding visitors. The goal, make robots useful, not romantic. So no, robots aren't replacing girlfriends or wives, meaning yes, you still have to survive silent treatments, decode I'm fine, and agree that she's always right. Or else. But don't worry, real robots won't replace love. They'll just do the dishes while you argue over Netflix. If you're tired of clickbait and want real tech insights, welcome home. This is Tech Insight Daily, where we cut through the hype and decode the future, one bite at a time.
Welcome to Tech Insight Daily. Your support means the world to us. Help us grow by sharing and subscribing. No need for Patreon or buying us a coffee.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.